friends! Today I'm so excited because we will have another princess makeover! I just love playing dress up, and today I'm gonna be Queen Elsa! Let's begin! First, keep your hair away from your face. Put a primer to make the color pop. And apply foundation all over your face. And blend evenly. And apply purple eyeshadow all over your lid and lower lash line. Add a darker eyeshadow on the outer corner of your eye and blend evenly to achieve the smoky effect. Highlight your brow bone. Add a black eyeliner to emphasize the shape of your eyes. A little contouring goes a long way. Make sure you blend it evenly. Apply a light pink blush. And highlight your nose, cheeks, chin and forehead. Add falsies and apply your favorite magenta lipstick. And voila! So this is my Elsa look. Now I'm just waiting for my Elsa costume. My mom made it just for me. Can't wait! Oh, coming! Wow! Wow, thank you! The costumes in Frozen 2 are modern and have intricate designs. From the trim on their dresses to the tiniest sparkle. My mom personally did all the beadworks and embellishments. She added this beautiful fabric that looks like a cosmic web on the shoulders to add texture. And covered it with hundreds of beads in different shapes and sizes to resemble the snow and ice theme on Elsa's dress. And carefully sewed them by hand. The jacket has a split cape coming from each shoulder. The same fabric was used for the cape and the belt. Underneath is this beautiful dress she wore in Otto Holland before her epic dress transformation. These beautiful sparkly pair of boots with snowflake details complete the ensemble. For the beautiful ombre effect of the jacket, my mom dyed it with a darker shade of blue. The snowflake design was sewn on the sheer fabric at the back. Adorned with even more glass beads. And this is my complete Elsa makeover. Hope you like it! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. A mysterious voice calls Elsa from the far north. She she decides she must travel to a magical forest in search of the voice. Elsa is called to take on the journey, to seek new knowledge about her powers and herself, beyond the borders of her kingdom and into the unknown. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please follow me on my other social media pages. Don't be afraid to try new things and get ready to dazzle the world.